In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily upload receipts into your Xero account, a task that is crucial for keeping your financial records organized and accurate. Let's break down this process into simple and manageable steps, ensuring that you can follow along effortlessly and maximize the efficiency of your receipt handling. To begin, open up your Xero account. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, navigate to the top of your screen. You should see a small distinctive plus icon designed to help you perform various actions quickly. It's located up top for easy access, so go ahead and click on that plus icon. This will open a drop-down menu with multiple options, each related to different key actions you can undertake in Xero. Your goal here is to send money, so from this drop-down list, find and select the option that says Send Money. Clicking on it will lead you to the next phase of uploading your receipt. Now that you've opened the Send Money section, you'll notice an array of different options to help manage your transactions. One of these options is Files. This is the section where you can organize, review, and upload your financial documents, including those pivotal receipts. Click on Files to progress to the next step. By doing so, you're not just accessing a space to upload files, but also entering a hub where essential documents can be stored for future reference or audit purposes. The next step is to actually upload the receipt that you wish to keep track of in Xero. On this screen, look for the button that says Upload File. This button serves as your gateway to transferring important documents from your computer into the Xero cloud-based system. Click this button to start the upload process. Once you have clicked it, a new window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Here is where you pinpoint the receipt you want to upload. This part is crucial. Ensure you've gathered all your necessary receipts beforehand in a specific folder on your computer to make this task even smoother. Browse through your files to find the receipt. Once you have found the document, simply select it. Selecting the right file is important not only for task completion, but also for maintaining accurate financial records. Once you have selected your file, the upload process will begin. Rest assured, Xero makes this process seamless, ensuring your file is stored securely and becomes a permanent part of your digital financial records. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded a receipt in Xero, streamlining your document management and making accounting a breeze. By repeating these steps whenever you have new receipts, you'll keep your financial house in perfect order. Remember, keeping your receipts digitally organized within Xero is not merely a best practice. It's an essential part of managing your financial records efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.